Hi guys, we're sitting in the back of the car to do a summary of me flying this glider, but I'll just have a little chat first. This is the Aleda from Joshua Finn, and I've been flying it for a while now, and I've broken it lots and lots of times. If you look along the fuselage there, you can probably see it's quite kinked, where I've had to glue it just at the front of the wing, at the back of the wing. I broke the back off the fuselage there, broke a little bit of the elevator at the back here. So I decided to make one of my own. Here we are. This is my own version. It's significantly heavier than Joshua's original. This one comes in at about 9 grams with the nose weight on it. This one, when I weighed it last night after I'd finished making it, was 10 grams without the nose weight. Differences: this one is 1/8 balsa fuselage, 3/32 balsa wings, 1/16 tail and rudder. This one is 1/8 wings, so they're going to be heavier straight away. Tail is 1/16 and rudder's 1/16. The nose hook is about 1/8 ply. I reasoned that even though I didn't have any nice thin stuff like this, I'd need to add nose weight anyway, so I wasn't too worried about having a heavier piece of ply on the front there. The fuselage is actually basswood, not balsa, so it's heavier anyway. It's 1/8. It's exactly the same dimensions as that one, but it's harder, heavier wood. So that's probably where most of the extra weight comes from. Well, plus the 1/8 wings instead of 3/32. I have sanded these down quite a bit. In fact, we've even got a bit of a airfoil profile to it. So they both fly. It's too windy today to get a good demonstration. This one flies significantly faster than that one because it's heavier, and I haven't done any adjustment on it, so it's turning, it's circling, but it's very wide circles. It needs a little bit of left rudder on it to tighten it up a little bit, but it flies okay. Quite happy with it, and it handles this wind relatively well compared to this one. The big disappointment of the day is I got a new camera here. I liked the other one I had so much, the Evo DX 4K Ultra HD, that I bought another one, charged it up last night, put it on the hat camera today to use it, and I've sat down here to do a summary and realised that it's stopped recording. I don't know when it stopped recording. I don't know if we've got any of the flights recorded. It'll be very disappointing if we've got none of them at all. But there's no way I would know it had stopped recording while it's sitting on top of my hat. So that's the big disappointment. The battery in there didn't hold charge. Now the other one that I've got holds charge for hours. I can do an hour or more of video recording and it's still got charge when I'm finished. Whereas the battery that's in there today has run out, well, after a matter of minutes as far as I can tell. Yeah, it's completely flat. They do come with 2 batteries, so there is another battery, but unless you actually know it stopped recording, then you're not going to know it's time to change it. And as I say, the other one, the original one, lasts for hours on a single battery. So we'll have to go home, see if we've got anything recorded, and, well, didn't break either of them, so we're up for flying another day, preferably with less wind.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.